Pilot, you're getting close to a hard point. It's inside a building. Check your map. We've secured hardpoint Charlie, but we still need Alpha and Bravo. We're now in control of hardpoint Alpha. Hardpoint Charlie's under attack. You've got to get over there. We're losing Alpha. Pilot, you're approaching Alpha. Watch for hostiles. Pilot, you're approaching Alpha. Watch for hostiles. He's going to hold a grudge, eh? Neutralization in progress. Hardpoint Charlie just went offline. All units, take Charlie back now. One of our units just took hardpoint Charlie. We just lost Bravo. Pilot, you're getting close to a hardpoint. It's inside a building. Check your map. %. 75%. I've neutralized militia control of this terminal. Now securing the hardpoint. 50%.
Acknowledged.
Okay, we're all good here. Hardpoints Bravo and Charlie are still open. Get over there and patch my team into the system.
Follow mode.
All units, it's been a close fight, but the militia forces are slightly ahead. We need to turn this around now.
Auto Titan engaging enemy infantry. Auto Titan engaging hostile Titan.
Blitz to all units. All hardpoints are now under IMC control. We're in the lead, pilot. Keep it up.
Auto Titan engaging enemy pilot.
Bravo is under attack.
Auto Titan.
Just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. Take 6 more ground forces. The situation is under our control. Well done.
Be advised, the militia forces have been defeated, but enemy survivors remain in our area. Do not allow them to escape.